That look good? Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to tell you a tale of two salsas. I'm the youngest sibling of 5. At dinner time, I always had to fight to get my share of whatever mom made. And if I wanted seconds, good luck with that. My siblings always beat me to it. That turned into me learning how to make things for myself. So I never run out. Like when I order a taco or burrito to go, why do they always give you such a little cup of salsa? If you're like me, you want salsa with every bite. So now I make salsa for myself at home, and I always have them ready for whatever I eat. I guess my family can have it too, if they're nice. Today, I'll show you how to make two taqueria salsa staples, Salsa Verde and Pico de Gallo. Now, let's cook. Ingredients: 12 tomatillos, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 Serrano chilies, half a white onion, and optional 1/3 cup cilantro. Set the temperature to medium-high. Medium saucepan. Let's add our tomatillos and our serranos. And then we're going to fill it up just enough to cover the tomatillos. We're going to bring that to a boil. Tomatillos are done when they turn this pale green color and start to split. So let's turn off the heat, get blending. So we're going to take our boiled tomatillos and serranos, our chopped onions, and our 4 cloves of garlic. Now let's blend it up. 2 teaspoons salt. Pour it into your favorite airtight container with a lid. All right, let's get that lid on. Stick it in the fridge until it chills for a couple hours. All right, now for the Pico de Gallo. 3 large tomatoes, 3 Serrano chilies, half a white onion, juice of 2 limes, 2/3 cups cilantro finely chopped. All right, let's chop our tomatoes. Let's cut the onion. Ta-da! 4 cloves garlic. And that is the garlic. 2 to 3 Serrano chilies. These are huge, so I'm going with 2. There's our serranos. Let's cut our cilantro up. Say about that much. All right. All right, I'm going to juice 1 1/2, and then I'm going to salt and taste and see if I need to add the last wedge. Let's add some salt. Start with a teaspoon. Let's do some tasting. Start with the tomatillo salsa verde. Tart, tomatillo-y. Get the fresh, uncooked onion and garlic, and then the heat comes in. It's not too much for me. Yeah, it's good. Okay, now let's try the Pico de Gallo. It's fresh, tomato, crunchy onion, hint of garlic, that heat from the serrano. Good stuff. Okay, now it's time to test out on a taco. Let's add some of this Pico de Gallo. All right, let's check this out. It's a lot of chew. Those two salsas together, the heat and the acidity from the tomatillo And then you got the freshness and the onions and the cilantro from the Pico de Gallo. It's going to make any taco burrito better. That wraps it up. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.